Are you tired of those wacky network naming cards, names, blah blah blah? Let me show you what I mean. So nowadays, when you log into a Linux box and you check your card's names, in this case it's ENS160. There are other crazy names like this one, like this one. So these names exist because the kernel is giving the network card names based on their physical aspect, like PCI slots and motherboard locations, buses, and all of that. If you change your card from slot to slot, the name may change and the configs may go wacky. So this procedure will allow you a few things. It will allow you to give the card a name you choose, so it's more predictable. So you're going to give the network card a name of your choosing, okay? And also, if you change the card from slot to slot, this is just a little bit talking about physical machines, of course, but if you change or most likely, if you change the card from slot to slot, even though the card moved slots, the name will stay the same. So this will allow you to give the card a name that you know and you can predict. And also, if you swap cards from slot to slot for some reason, the name will be kept the same. And since the names never change, the configs also will never change. Now, if you do, for the first time you do this, you're going to lose the configuration because now the card is called ENS160, and next is going to be called something of your choosing. Okay, so next it is going to be called something different of your choosing. So the current configs will break because the configs are now applied to ENS160, and now if you change, and since you're going to change the name, it's going to be applied to a different name, so it will break. So now you have an IP address. You also have some profiles here, but since I'm going to rename this card, so to speak, the configs will just get lost. So be aware that your network will break when you do this. Then you need to go back and fix your network connections. But you do this once and forever, it's the same name. Forever, the name will not change. So first things we do is get the card and get the MAC address here. This is my MAC address. You get yours, copy, whatever, save it. Then you go to a folder called etc, systemd, network, and now you give the card a name. Give it the number, any number, a unique number. Next, you give it the name of your choosing, then .link. So number 10 is whatever you like, just be a unique number on this folder, dash, give the card the name you want. I'm going to call it ETH0, we can call it Giga0 if it's a gigabit card. Give it the name that you will recognize and be comfortable with, .link. Inside of there, you add a section called match, and you specify, for example, MAC address.